Hi, my name is Sam. Let's learn together.
Sam, I think the mail carrier brought us something. I'm going to check the mailbox. Sam, I am back. The mail carrier brought us the morning paper. Oh, there's a letter. Sam, you've been accepted into Real Dog School. Hooray! Hooray!
School?
So many fun adventures are ahead of you. Hurry! Time to shop for school supplies. The school supplies store is on the second floor. Let's go! The school supplies store this way.
Hello, how may I help you?
Good afternoon. We've come to buy school supplies for the pug. He's going to school!
Great. First, let's choose a school backpack.
Sam, which backpack do you like?
Green.
And which pencil case would you choose for your pens and pencils?
I will choose a white pencil case.
Let's choose the supplies that will be kept in your pencil case.
With this pencil, I'm going to draw pictures. The eraser will help me erase anything that shouldn't be drawn in the picture.
You're right. You also need a sharpener to sharpen the pencils if they break.
Now we can pick out some items for making paper crafts.
There are so many colors of paper here. I'm getting dizzy. I need all of them. I can make a space rocket out of the blue paper and beautiful flowers from the yellow and orange ones. I really love these scissors. I'm going to cut out so many shapes from paper with them.
Sam, that's glue. Why did you open it? Come on, let's go wash your paws.
Here we have some crayons. I think you'll need them too, Sam.
Sam, why did you take the tape? We just washed your paws after the glue and now you've stuck them together with tape again. Stop being naughty.
Computer. What a cool computer.
That's a calculator, Sam. It will help you do the math. Here's a ruler for you too, so you can measure different objects.
Oh, Sam, where did you run off to? We've been looking everywhere for you. Wow, what a cool book. Let's buy it.
We almost forgot to buy a pen and some notebooks. I definitely need to write down the important information my teacher will be telling me. I think I'm fully ready for school now.
Thank you for the shopping, and have a great school year. Bye-bye.
See you in the next episode. If you liked the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's learn together.